Okay, so who wants to draw a cute little tiger with me today? You do? All right, let's go. All right, so let's get started with our little tiger. We'll make him pretty excited about this one. I think he's going to turn out really good. Make a big curved head. And then smaller curve for the bottom. This is going to be his head. And then about right here, let's make his little nose. And then let's do his ears up here. Kind of big ovals. You could make his ears more triangles. Once you could experiment and see what you like best. Straight line down. Kind of a half circle here, a little arch there. Put some little teeth. And we're going to come up here. Make a big arch right there. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. That's going to be his head. And we'll do little bitty eyes here. Some black little circles. And then we'll put some stripes. You can experiment with the stripes, see what you want. Maybe just a few. Maybe you want a whole bunch. Put a couple up here if you wanted. Maybe you can do different fat stripes, skinny stripes. Put one more here, a little one right there. And then let's see, we're going to do some fur coming down here. And then we'll bring this down. We'll do his body now. And then we'll do, we'll do his little paws. Straight line across. There's his little paws. Just making simple curves. There's his little paws. And we'll do his back feet curve coming down like this. And we'll do is just show a few of his little toes. And then we'll do his tail coming over here. And then we'll put some stripes. Tigers are one of my favorite animals. They're so pretty. This one's really cute, but if you ever see one at the zoo, they are very impressive animals. Baby tigers are adorable. Big ones are pretty scary. But they are very majestic. Put some shadows under them here. Okay, so there is a simple little tiger. Alright, so now I'm going to get some orange. I got my watercolors again. You could use colored pencils, crayons, markers, chalk, anything you want. You don't even have to make them orange if you don't want to. You could experiment. Maybe make them a purple tiger. See how this looks. This is almost yellow. I may come back and darken this up. Just going to fill in where his fur would be. If you do watercolor, make sure your ink is dry first. You can see right here where it's bleeding a little bit. I didn't wait long enough. I have the ink that I use in that brush pen is waterproof, but you still have to let it dry. See right here it's bleeding. I didn't wait long enough. There's the tail. Okay, so I kind of like that, but it's almost too yellow, so I'm going to mix up some darker orange and kind of go back over some of this, darken it up a little bit, stronger, brighter orange. bit up on his ear. Maybe some more down here. Okay, then while that's drying, I'm gonna get some purple, maybe some red and some brown. Kind of paint the ground a little bit. Now for some shadows on him, I think I'm gonna use some more purple. Kind of show some depth, some overlapping here. Some shading up here, maybe right here. A little bit on his ears. Bottom of his tail, maybe. By his toes. And then right underneath of his chin, right here, put a little bit of gray, maybe a little bit under his nose, under his mouth, maybe a little bit here, just see how that looks. I don't know if that'll look very good, but yeah, try it. And then he's almost done, but I want to add some little red cheeks. See how this works. This may not work. So I'm getting some red paint on my brush. I'm getting it on pretty thick. I'm going to paint on top of that black line. I don't know. I was just thinking about that. I don't know. You don't have to do that. I was curious how it would look. Yeah. I don't know. Kind of cute, I guess. You don't have to put the red dots for cheeks if you don't want to, but there it is. Cute little tiger. And then I guess, since I did this for Harry Potter and one of the apple paintings the other day, I'm going to go ahead and paint just a little bit of a color behind him, make him pop a little bit here. Mixed up some blue and some green together, give it this aquamarine blue-green color. You don't have to do this. I just like doing this for fun. Kind of like that little bit of a background texture on there. There you go. Now he's done. Hey guys, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. If you did like it, go ahead and hit a like down there for me or subscribe. And if there's anything you would like to see me draw, just leave a comment and I'll get right to it and give you a shout out. Thank you very much. Have a good day.